Test shot. I hope you could hear me right there. So what the cup, Delon Serino here, your Filipino expat to Thailand, and I'm back with another video, and Happy New Year to everyone. And I am now here at Starbucks, and we'll be doing a simple unboxing of 3 different things. So first off, I actually purchased the planner, the Starbucks planner, and in the Philippines you have to collect stickers. I think it's 12 stickers, but here in Thailand, here's our goodies today. So by the way, here in Thailand you do not collect stickers. Starbucks Thailand asks you to top up your card worth 3,000 baht and you will receive their planner. But if you add 3,500 baht, you'll get the denim version of their planner. So today I just topped up 3,000 baht and we'll be opening the Starbucks planner of Thailand. So, and here it is. This is 2019's Starbucks 2019's planner. As you can see, it's still sealed. I haven't opened it yet, and we'll be checking it together. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I have my lemonade here, just to fully experience the Starbucks magic, if there's such thing. So here's the planner. So let's open it up. It's so difficult to open. Let me just... My goodness. Hold on. Finally open it up. So Starbucks planner is actually provided by Moleskine. It's a very popular brand of, they make assorted of things like planners and whatever. So let's check it out. So I got the blue one. I don't know, it's blue or purple, or I don't know. It looks purple to me, but for you, what do you think? Comment it down below. So it's made of leather. It's textured, and you can see the Starbucks name is embossed there with a 19 on this side, and that's how thick it is. There's the elastic band to keep your planner together. And it's just basically a simple planner. And inside this planner, I think there's coupons. Yep, there's coupons inside. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, until December 2019. So this is our Starbucks planner for 2019. Yeah, I think this comes in 2 colors, pink and the blue one. And the denim is colored blue if you top up 3,500 baht. So we're moving on to our next items here. This one I did not buy because I have been a Starbucks reward member since 2015 or 14. I think, and you have to accumulate stars or points in order for you to receive these 2 items. So these 2 items are free when you reach 250 stars to reach the Starbucks gold level. And as their Christmas gift, Starbucks gave us 2 presents for this year, and that's the Starbucks table calendar, that one, and the Starbucks Rewards power bag. It's too shiny there. It's too shiny. these are the two gifts they have for us this year. So first we will be taking a look at the table calendar. It's just straightforward, a table calendar from Starbucks. So it plainly looks like this, and they put stickers. They give us free stickers. So it's a calendar for 2019. Wish come true. That's for this one's for February. March. We have April, Dreamcatcher. For the month of May, at the back. June. July. Should I flip all of them? September, that one. October, November, and December. So I just flipped everything for you down there. So that's just a simple table calendar from Starbucks. And now we're off to our final gift from the Starbucks Rewards program. It's their simple power bank. And as you can see, the Starbucks logo or Starbucks Reward is actually embossed on the box. We have the gold Starbucks cup on the side, and that there's a pull tab over here, and that's basically it. So I hope my pen could do this because I don't have anything to pierce this one open. Let's try it with my bare hands. If I could. We're almost there. Come on, come on. Okay, yep, we did it. We pierced open through the plastic. By the way, if you're thinking if Starbucks sponsored this video, no, I'm just a fan. I'm just a big fan of Starbucks. But if Starbucks feels fancy and would like to sponsor, and why not? So here's the box that we have. Let's pull it open. Is this pull tab or how do you? Okay, it's a pull tab, but it's not coming out. So, so the problem was there's actually a tape stuck at the back. So let's pull it now. Wow. And there you go. Here's our Starbucks power bank. What's inside the box? Just up to the power bank itself. Let's get it out of the plastic. These unboxings are difficult. Good thing I'm not a full-time Starbucks or unboxer. Wow! Wow! This is a 5,000 milliamp power bank. I hope you could see that one. Oh, you can't see it though. It's a 5,000 milliamp power bank. In front, we have this gold cup, still embossed with the My Starbucks Rewards below, and at the back looks like a Starbucks cup, right? With the siren, the logo, and your tick box whenever you want to add up to your Starbucks drink. And on the top you have a USB port with a Type-C adapter and your check if there's battery inside. So there's two lights, so 2 bars to charge up. And what else is inside the box? cables for charging. And there you have it. That's it for this video. Imagine unboxing Starbucks stuff inside Starbucks. And if you like unboxing things or doing this kinds of stuff, be sure to comment it down below if you want to see more about unboxing. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for tuning in. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!